Hello everyone, in this video we will set up the stale opportunity automation. Many of you might be facing the trouble in moving the leads from one stage to another in your pipeline, especially when the leads go stale or become no longer active, right? So this automation will help you to keep a track of all of your leads, and to do that we have to create a workflow. But before that, first of all, we will go to the opportunities, and then here we will go to pipelines. Now we will create a new pipeline, and the pipeline name will be lead pipeline, and the first stage will be hot leads, then responded, next warm leads, cold leads, and then abandoned. Then we will save this pipeline. Now if we go to opportunities, then here you can see the lead pipeline, and these are the different stages of our lead pipeline. That is hot leads, responded, warm leads, cold leads, and abandoned. Now let's say you have a new lead that might come from your website or your funnel, and we followed up with hot leads by sending them SMS or sending them email and waited for the leads to respond. Now if they respond, they will definitely move to responded stage. But let's say if they do not reply for about 1 week, they will move to the warm leads. Now once the lead is in warm lead stage, you again followed up by sending email or sending SMS, but still lead did not respond at all for another week. Then lead will move automatically from warm lead stage to cold lead stage. Now let's say once the lead is in cold lead stage, it's been about 1 month or 4 weeks and the lead did not respond at all, then the lead will move to the abandoned stage, and you don't have to manually move every single lead, as it will happen automatically because we will create a workflow for this whole process. For that, we will go to automations, and here we will create a workflow from scratch. And the name of this workflow will be stale opportunity automation 1. First of all, we will add a trigger to move the leads from hot lead stage to warm lead stage once they are in hot lead stage for about 1 week. So our trigger will be stale opportunity. And in filters, we will add in pipeline, that is lead pipeline. And in pipeline stage, we will add hot leads. And duration in days will be 7 days, because we're gonna wait for 7 days or 1 week for the lead to be in hot lead stage of our lead pipeline. And now we will save this trigger. Now what we will do is we will move the lead from the hot lead stage to the cold lead stage, for which we will add an action that will be create or update opportunity. In pipeline, we will select our lead pipeline, and in pipeline stage will be warm lead, because we want to move the lead from the hot lead stage to the warm lead stage, and the opportunity name will be contact full name. And now we will save this section. So we have set up the automation for the lead to move from hot lead stage to warm lead stage if the lead is in hot lead stage for about 7 days. This was our first automation, so we will save this workflow and hit publish button. Now we will go back to automations, and we will create a new workflow from scratch. And the name of this workflow will be stale opportunity automation 2. Now we will add a trigger that will be stale opportunity. And in filters, we will add in pipeline, that is lead pipeline. And pipeline stage will be warm leads. Next duration in days will be 7 days. Then we will save this trigger. Next we will add an action that is create or update opportunity. Then in pipeline we will select lead pipeline, and the pipeline stage will be cold leads. And the opportunity name will be contact full name. and then we will save this action. So now if the lead will be in warm lead stage for another 7 days, it will move to the cold leads automatically. Now we will save this workflow and hit publish button. Now we will go back to automations. Then we will create another workflow from scratch. Here the name will be Stale Opportunity Automation 3. And first of all, we will add a trigger that will be Stale Opportunity. In filters, we will select in pipeline, that is lead pipeline. And pipeline stage will be cold leads. Next duration in days will be 30 days. So we will save this trigger. Now if the lead is in cold lead stage for about 30 days or about 1 month, what we're going to do is we will add an action that will be create or update opportunity. Here in pipeline, we will select lead pipeline. Pipeline stage will be abandoned. And the opportunity name will be contact full name. And now we will save this section. Now when the lead will be in cold lead stage of the lead pipeline for about 30 days, it will move to abandoned stage of the pipeline automatically. So now we will save this section and hit publish button. So now you know how to manage stale opportunities or move the lead from one stage to another. I hope this video will be helpful for you. You can customize this pipeline stages and workflow based on your need or based on your business. But if you face any trouble in this process, you can ask me in the comment section. For now, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.